Here's how you can add notes in Canva and use them in the presenter view when you're presenting your slides. So you can add notes to any page, and this doesn't have to be on presentations, but I'm sure largely you're going to utilize it as such. So to add notes in the lower left-hand corner, we actually see a little Notes tab. We can add presenter notes by clicking on this. So here's where we can add notes about this slide, for instance. We can add them in here and just type them in. We can space them out with return and add more notes here. And we can do this for each page. So if we just scroll down or go to the next page, we'll notice the notes change to be blank for this page, for instance. So I could add in something like size of market and then 1.3 billion, right? Now, to utilize these notes, and by the way, you can close them just by clicking on Presenter Notes again. To utilize them within your slides when you're presenting, so we use this full screen button to present, we actually have a presenter view. And so if you have a second monitor or if you are presenting up on a big screen and you have a laptop or some screen in front of you, what you would do is click on this presenter view button to open presenter view. And then you would position this screen on your screen that you're looking at, whereas the full screen would be on the other monitor or the other display that everyone else sees. So this screen here in the presenter view shows the slide you're on, and it also shows the notes on the right-hand side. Now these notes are still editable. You can increase or decrease the size of the notes or the font size, and you can also click on this edit button. So maybe you wanted to add in some more notes here, like Tam, Sam, and whatever else these fake words are in here. And we can just include those notes over here on the right and then hit done, and we've added notes. There's a 5,000 character limit. That is more than plenty. At that point, it's not even notes anymore, right? You're writing a book over there. So we click through our slides and we notice that the notes change per slide. We can edit them. This is in presenter view, and this is what you'll be looking at. So that's how you can add notes to your slides and then edit them and view them in presenter view here in Canva.